Your phone is full. Your laptop storage is almost gone. Photos, videos, documents, everything is piling up. And suddenly you see the warning. Storage almost full. Now you have two choices. Delete your files, or pay for more storage. But what if you didn't have to pay? What if you could get free cloud storage? Legally and safely? Today, I'll show you exactly how people are getting gigabytes of free storage online, and how you can start using it today. But before we dive in, if you enjoy simple explanations of the technology you use every day, subscribe. Because on this channel we break down complex tech and make it finally make sense. 2. What cloud storage actually is. Before we talk about free storage, let's quickly understand something important. What exactly is cloud storage? When you save a file on your phone, it's stored on the device itself. But when you upload it to the cloud, it's stored on powerful computers called servers. These servers are located inside massive data centers around the world. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Apple operate these huge infrastructures. Your files stay on their servers, and you can access them anytime, from any device, anywhere in the world. 3. Why companies give free storage. Now here's something interesting. Why would companies give away free storage at all? After all, storage costs money. Servers, electricity, maintenance. So why give it away? The answer is simple. Ecosystems. When you start storing your files on a platform, you're more likely to keep using their services. That's why companies offer free storage as an entry point. Once you rely on it, you might upgrade later. But the good news is, you can still get a lot of storage without paying. 4. Free storage from Google Drive. One of the most popular options is Google Drive. When you create a Google account, you automatically receive 15 gigabytes of free storage. That storage is shared between photos, emails, documents, backups. For most people, 15 gigabytes is enough to store thousands of photos or years of documents, and it syncs perfectly across phones, tablets, and computers. 5. Free storage from Microsoft. Another powerful option comes from Microsoft. Their cloud platform is Microsoft OneDrive. When you create a Microsoft account, you receive 5 gigabytes of free cloud storage. And here's the advantage. It integrates deeply with Windows computers, meaning files can automatically sync across devices. Your desktop, laptop, tablet, all connected. 6. Free storage from Apple. If you use an iPhone, you probably already have cloud storage. It's called Icloud, provided by Apple. Every Apple user gets 5 gigabytes of free storage. This storage automatically backs up photos, contacts, notes, app data, which means even if your phone is lost, your files stay safe. 7. Lesser-known free storage platforms. But here's something many people don't know. There are other cloud platforms offering free space too. For example, Dropbox offers about 2 gigabytes free storage. Mega offers up to 20 gigabytes free storage. These services are often used for file sharing, large downloads, backup storage, and you can combine multiple services to increase your total free space. 8. The smart trick, combining free storage. Here's the trick that many tech users use. Instead of relying on one cloud service, they use several at the same time. For example, Google Drive, 15 gigabytes. Mega, 20 gigabytes. OneDrive, 5 gigabytes. Dropbox, 2 gigabytes. Add them together, and suddenly you have over 40 gigabytes of free storage, without paying a single dollar. All you need to do is organize which files go where. 9. Important security tip. But there's something you should always remember. Cloud storage means your files are stored online, so security matters. Always enable two-factor authentication. Use strong passwords, and avoid uploading sensitive files without encryption. Because even though cloud services are secure, your account security still depends on you. 10. The future of cloud storage. Cloud storage is becoming more important every year. Phones are taking larger photos. Videos are now recorded in 4K, and files are getting bigger. Instead of relying only on device storage, more people are moving their data to the cloud. And as competition grows, companies will likely continue offering more free storage options. 11. So the next time your phone says, "Storage almost full," remember this. You don't always need to delete your files, and you don't always need to pay, because with the right platforms, you can store your photos, videos, and documents safely online, using free cloud storage, accessible anytime, from anywhere. 12. If you enjoyed this breakdown, and want more simple explanations about the technology you use every day, make sure to subscribe, because the digital world is evolving fast, and understanding it is becoming more important than ever.